Today I'm going to do a American candy taste test. The first ones I got are Gobstocker Everlasting Jawbreakers that change colour and flavours. And they look like that. And at the top were holders. They come in 6 different flavours. This is a red one. It doesn't tell you the flavours on there. But these are no artificial colours or flavours. They're nice, so I give them a 9 out of 10. They are blooming delicious. Right. They only cost me $1.50 from a candy shop, so that's quite good actually. The next ones I got were chocolate chip cookie dough bites. The original. And these are choco chips. And they come in a little bag inside the little box. That's what they look like just like different shapes and sizes. Right, here we go. They're nice. Delicious. And these are by candyyasap.com. That's what the back of the pack looks like. If anyone's interested. And they were £2 from the candy shop I went to in town. Sorry, I got a cold. Right, the next ones I bought were these fudge brownie cookie dough bites. It's got quite a nice box actually. These are by the same company as the cookie dough bites, because these are just with brownie instead of chocolate chips. So the back looks like that. They come in a little bag as well. And now I'm going to try one. Exactly the same but fudge brownie instead. They are mintage. And they cost me £2 as well. And the last thing I got are milk duds. These are made with chocolate and caramel. 30% less fat than an average of leading chocolate candy brands. These are proper. These are made by Hersley company actually. But do the Hersley bars of chocolate. These are like just in the carton. Sorry about that again. And these look like flying saucers, I think. These cost £1. Let's try it. That's nice, that. Mmm. Delicious. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out my friend's channel, Davina Critchley, she just put an American candy taster on as well, but with our friend Nia, who's going to be the next Gaga. Haha. Right, bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll be doing I don't know what I'll be doing actually. Just bye.